Hello and welcome to the SOS Creativity channel. Today, we're going to be looking at how to grow your business using Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the most underrated social media platforms out there. Did you know that there are over 250 million active Pinterest users every month? This is one of the most unutilized platforms that you can actually use if properly to grow your business. And I'm going to be looking at 4 different points on how we can do that today. The first point is to share your products. Similar to Instagram, Pinterest is a heavily visual platform. When the platform first started, it was just pictures only, but with the recent updates, you can actually post pictures and videos to the platform. So if you're a B2C product-based business, sharing your products on the platform is an amazing way to build the awareness of your product and to drive traffic to your website to then help you grow your business. If you're in the B2B sector, for example, using things like infographics are a smart way to utilize Pinterest to helping you grow your business. In order to grow your business, you need to be able to drive traffic to your site. And one of the ways you can do this is by using Pinterest. So the way Pinterest works is by creating these visual elements, for example, infographics or pictures or videos attached to your business, whether that be your products or whether that be an infographic talking about a blog post on your B2B website, for example. By getting those images and those elements onto Pinterest, you can attach a link back to your website so that when the users of the platform start finding it, they're able to repin your pins. They're also able to click through. So for example, there's a read more button on a pin. Therefore, if someone clicks into that, it takes them directly into your website, which then brings traffic to your site. When they land on your site, if your site's well designed, if your site is expertly designed and conveys the value that user is looking for, you're able to then grow your business through that traffic that's coming to your site from Pinterest. Similar to other social media platforms, Pinterest also have a business account. When you create your account the first time, you have the option of choosing whether it's a business account or a personal account. The benefit of using a business account, as I'm sure you're aware with Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms, is that you can actually run ads on Pinterest as well. So by having a business account, you can pay Pinterest, the platform, to display your pins, your image, your business, your brand to a targeted audience, which then helps you grow your business. Similar to everything that you do online, you're representing your business, you're representing your brand. Therefore, it's important to create high visuals, highly engaging visuals, so that people can separate you. And if it matches your brand guidelines, it's easier for people to recognize your brand, meaning you're able to be differentiated from the pack so that you can grow your business. Because if someone can spot your brand, if someone can spot your business straight away from the competition, that's awareness. That means they're able to pick you out, go onto your site, understand what value that you provide, and use you for what it is that you're providing for them. So that's what we have for you today. Are you currently using Pinterest at the moment? I'd love to know in the comments below. And if you're not using Pinterest, do you think Pinterest is a strategy that could help you grow your business? Are you not sure where to begin with Pinterest? Leave a comment in the comment section below and we will get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you join the notification squad. Till next week, bye for now.